Hi, welcome to a random day of my life where I am sick. Cookie sardi lager. That's why I was not able to post for last few days. So I just moved blood test and then after that I went to do some groceries and also went to Kmart. I'll show you what I bought from Kmart. Yeah. So I got few things from Kmart. So the first thing is this one. That's your mirror like my husband. He really wanted to try this. So sorry. So we got this one. I don't know how effective it is. But maybe we'll use, and if you guys want to know the review, we can probably give on that one. So I'm just having my green tea, tulsi ko, because I feel like this helps soothing my kati. So bana ke na khai ka blood test garnu gako the, so I'm having my green tea right now. The next thing is this one. I think these two goes together because first we use cut it up and then you're gonna use this one. So just to, it's got by my husband. He is interested. He really wants to try this one because उसको face a little bit oily. It's hot. Mirror is like super dry. So I'm gonna try too. I think this is good for me as well. But I'm gonna use first on him and then see how it works. And my mirror like in the kitchen. This is the one. I'm gonna try this and show you all like because the workers are living. So I'm gonna open this up. When you get like cold, something like cooking like that. I'm very curious if you guys have any remedy like you use like home remedy too. I'm trying garlic and honey because one of my friends suggested that one. And also Kiki got a second. It's not also for me. Like no. Now I'm waiting for my another remote and so I have this one and this one. And also a charger. Do you need to charge or is it like power connector to use? So I'm going to go through this and then I'll show you once I use this one. I'm going to use this right after I finish. I'm going to show you guys what I got. So this is the next one. And you clean for your sponge, brush, blenders, beauty blenders, anything. And this one for drying. I'm not going to use this one. I also have a charger. I think this is time timer. This is power button, and this is a small screen where it shows the time. it and then I'll show you guys.